Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Bright Side Knowledge. I have started a new video series where I will be giving you all basic knowledge of various aircrafts used by different armies of the world. So let's start. This is Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. The Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is a twin-jet, multi-role air superiority fighter developed by Russia's Sukhoi and built under license by India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. As this aircraft is powered by two engines, it also has one major advantage to be able to fly well enough to land with a single working engine, making it safer than a single engine aircraft in event of failure of an engine. As of being a multi-role aircraft, Sukhoi is intended to perform different roles in combat. The air superiority fighters are designed for entering and seizing control of enemy airspace as a means of establishing complete dominance over the enemy's air force. Flanker H is the NATO reporting name of Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. NATO reporting names are code names for military equipment from Russia, China, and historically the Eastern Bloc. Flanker H is the variant of Sukhoi Su-30. Development of this variant started after India signed a deal with Russia in 2000 to manufacture 140 Su-30 fighter jets. The first Russian-made Su-30 MKI variant was accepted into the Indian Air Force in 2002, while the first indigenously assembled Su-30 MKI entered service with the Indian Air Force in 2004. As of now, the Indian Air Force has nearly 272 Su-30 MKI fighters. This aircraft is tailor-made for Indian specifications and integrates Indian system and avionics as well as French and Israeli subsystems. It has abilities similar to the Sukhoi Su-35, with which it shares many features and components. According to 2014 update, this aircraft costs 358 crore rupees, which is equal to 50 million US dollars. The canard, which is a small wing-like projection attached to an aircraft forward of the main wing to provide extra stability or control, increases the aircraft lift ability and deflect normally to allow high angle of attack to perform Pugachev's Cobra maneuver, which is often referred to as Cobra maneuver. The Su-30 MKI has a range of 3000 km with internal fuel which ensure a 3.75 hour combat mission. Also, it has an in-flight refueling probe that retracts beside the cockpit during the normal operation. The air refueling system increases the flight duration up to 10 hours with a range of 8000 km at a cruise height of 11 to 13 km. The Indian translation of MKI stands for Modernized Commercial for India. Now let's see some technical specifications of this aircraft. The maximum height at which Sukhoi Su-30 MKI can sustain a specified rate of climb is 17,300 meters. It is a two-seater aircraft and is considered as a 4th generation fighter jet. For armaments, this aircraft have 12 hardpoint, which can further be increased to 14 using multiple ejector racks. This aircraft can fly with a maximum speed of 2120 km per hour and can take off with a maximum weight of 38,800 kg. The Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter aircraft can also be equipped with BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, which is capable of hitting a target at around 300 km with precision. It also has one 30 mm Guryev Siponov autocannon. If you like this informative video, then do like and share for more such videos.